What's up guys? Welcome back to Honest Cooks. This week we are not doing our regular recipe video, but instead I am bringing you 7 kitchen hacks that I've picked up along the way from professional kitchens to make your home cooking a lot easier. Let's get started. The first kitchen hack involves limes or lemons. Oftentimes we squeeze a lime with our hands or with a metal squisher, and then this happens and we end up not using the whole thing, which then sits in the fridge and dries out. To avoid that, take a lime or a lemon, roll it a couple times, and then take a metal skewer or a wooden skewer and poke a hole where the lime would be attached to the tree. And really go in there so that the hole is big enough for the juice to squeeze out. Press and roll it a couple more times. And easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, lime squeezy, but you get the point. This kitchen trick, or hack if you will, I picked up from my mom. It's quite simple really. When making ginger garlic paste in bulk, use oil instead of water to blend it. And then you can blend it as fine or as coarse as you want it to be. Store it in a glass jar and it will stay fresh up to 3 weeks in the fridge. This third one is my favorite because who doesn't like a well-buttered toast? But sometimes when you go to butter your toast, either the butter is too hard or if you melt it in the microwave, the fat and the milk solids will separate. And an easy solution is to grate your butter. Yes, you heard me right. Grate your butter. Grating the butter provides frictional heat, and without getting too scientific about it, it really does make it very easily spreadable. In hindsight, I could have just grated that on top of the bread, but oh well. I have struggled with my fair share of jars that just won't budge. And it's ever so satisfying to just take your chef knife and with the pointy edge from this part of the knife, just whack it on the lid and it pops right open. Forewarning, please don't do this on anything except metal lids. And for this hack, I'm going to turn an egg into a chicken. Nah, just kidding. I'm showing you how to poach your eggs perfectly every time. We'll start by taking a piece of plastic and putting it in a bowl just like I did, and then crack your egg in it. If you're enjoying our video so far, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Cooks. And then bring the excess plastic together and tie it up. And drop this in a pot of simmering water and then cook it to your liking. There is a potato at the end of this video. Watch it all the way to the end to reveal the most satisfying hack. I cooked mine for about 4 minutes and then it's time to peel off the plastic and enjoy your egg. Next up is a no-fail salad dressing. When you're making salad dressings, everything depends upon the ratio. I am showing you the most basic ratio that you can never go wrong with. And once you have your basic recipe ready, you can add in more flavors to it by adding either dried or fresh herb or any other form of seasoning. And the ratio is very simple. It's 2:1:1:3. 2 parts vinegar, 1 part everything else, and 3 parts oil. After 2 tablespoons of vinegar, I added in 1 tablespoon each of honey, mustard, mayonnaise, and water. Very important. And then I will buzz this with about 3 tablespoons of oil. If you want to make a bigger batch, use the same ratio. So if you're using 2 cups of vinegar, use 1 cup of everything else and then buzz in 3 cups of oil. And once this is ready, you can add in chopped herbs to give it an extra flavor, or you can just use sesame oil if you're using it for Asian salads. And finally, as promised in my Twitter bio, I will teach you how to peel a potato. Trust me, there is an easy way to do it. Before you boil it, just take a sharp knife and make an incision around your potato. Put it in cold water and then take it to the stove and start boiling. And when the potato is cooked, the incision will help the skin fall right off. And as promised, is this not the better way to do it? Let me know in the comments below. And that was the final hack for this video. If you enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more hacks, or maybe just some snacks, let us know in the comments below.